Today we're going to be updating the plumbing for our water lines in preparation for new kitchen cabinets. Before we install our kitchen cabinets, we want to cut the tops off these water lines so that we only have a copper pipe coming from the basement. This is so that when we install our sink-based cabinet, the cut for our water lines can be as small as possible and slip right around the copper pipe instead of making a huge cut to fit around this T. So we're going to install some shutoff valves on the hot side and the cold side so that we can cut these lines and still have water to the rest of the house while we're doing the cabinets.
You gotta put this under the flux. This is your catalyst.
They're like a bat. Put the handle up like that.
Sounds like hibachi. Now that we got our water shutoffs installed in the basement, we're good to cut these water lines and hopefully we don't get any water spraying up. Now that we got our lines cut like this, when we go to install our cabinet and cut the holes in the bottom so that our water lines can come through, we can make the hole as small as possible just to fit around this water line and make it look nice and sleek. We're gonna be installing those cabinets very soon, so I'll see you all then.
Okay.